Hey, Kevin here. I have a fun exercise I want to share with you. First, I'm going to play a melody. Then I'm going to play the chord melody. Then I'm going to create a melody and you're going to create the chord melody, okay? Now make sure that you tag me in the video because I want to hear it, okay? So let's go ahead and have some fun with it. Again, the chord melody would be once again. Now mine's is going to be now you come up with the chord melody and tag me.